Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do citations for Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be covering this using this WikiHow article, and there is 3 standards by which you can cite something. That is MLA, Chicago, and APA as well. So I'll be covering all 3 of those methods. So the first one is the MLA, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. So you're going to have to provide your title for whatever you're citing. It can be a custom app, in which case you can easily just write what it is. So for example, in this case, directions for driving from Nashville, Tennessee to Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. Google Maps 2018 is the date of the last updated map in this case. So pretty much just check when it was last updated, and then you'll be able to add that date at the end. But yeah, just write whatever you're referencing. It can be a title, it can be a custom map, it can be the official map, doesn't really matter. Make sure Google Maps or Google is the author, and then you're pretty much good. You can also add the full date as well. You can check in on Google Street View to see when it was last pictured. You can also see you can also truncate lengthy URLs. That's what I was trying to say. For example, if you're putting in the maps URL, you don't want to put in the entire URL, which is quite long. Just put in maps.google.com. That will be quite enough. And that is pretty much it. You can also add shortened titles or descriptions of the map in the text that you're citing. So that is pretty much how you do MLA. Now for APA, you write Google as the author. Then you can add no date in parentheses and .d parentheses, and that should be it. Since Google Maps are created on demand, there is no official publishing date for the entire Google Maps, so it's supposed to be ND. Then just write in these brackets what you are denoting. So Google Maps directions for from Nashville to Santa Rosa Beach, and then you can write the date when you retrieved it. So for example, May 23rd, 2018, from whichever URL you are using, and make sure to shorten it. And that is pretty much all there is to it for that method. Now for Chicago, just as Google Maps as the author well, quotation marks, yeah, that's what they're called. Just add the same title that you used before, right when it was accessed, so in August 23rd, 2018 in this case. Then of course add the shortened URL, and that is pretty much it. But you should add the punctuation and commas so that everything is done as well as it can. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.